Let's see if we can divide these two rational expressions. The first one is 2x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 25, and we want to divide that by x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x plus 7. All right, so before we do anything, let's go ahead and factor all these guys just so we see what the different factors are we have to work with. This numerator right here, you could pull a 2 out of that and have 2 times x minus 3. This denominator is the difference of squares, so you'd have x plus 5 times x minus 5. All right, and then the second rational expression, this is called the divisor. That's the guy we're dividing by. We would have, let's see, x squared minus 8x plus 15. That would be x minus 3 times x minus 5. And then x plus 7 doesn't really need any factoring. It's just a linear expression there anyways. All right, so now here's the thing I want us to remember. This is very important. This is a very common mistake that students make a lot. Here, when they're looking at these two expressions, a lot of students would see something like the x minus 5 here divided by this x minus 5, and they might want to cancel these guys, right? Because you have one in the numerator, one in the denominator, and they're the same factor. You cannot do that if it's division until after you've taken the reciprocal. You remember when we divide two expressions, we multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So that's what we're going to have to do first. Okay, so let's just keep everything like it is. And then let's see here. We will say this is equal to 2 times x minus 3 over x plus 5 times x minus 5. All right, times the reciprocal of the second expression, which will be x plus 7 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 5. Okay, so now that it's a multiplication problem, we can cross cancel, simplify, do whatever we like. So I see here's a factor of x minus 3 and here's a factor of x minus 3. Those can cancel just fine. But look at the x minus 5s that we were going to cancel just a minute ago. Now they're actually both in the denominator, in which case, of course, we wouldn't cancel them if they're both in the denominator. All right, so final answer. So here's our final answer right here. We would say 2 times the quantity x plus 7, all divided by x plus 5 times x minus 5 squared, since there's 2 factors of those guys. And we'll leave this answer in factored form.